In this video, we will be discussing how to create generational wealth through new advanced technology. Most people are still stuck in the past using old and outdated techniques, even with all the best equipment at the tip of their finger. And people know this, but they're always looking for the quick and easy option like Bitcoin. In reality, there will never be anything like Bitcoin again, but here are new things that can give you similar results. New pieces of technology which everyone now has access to, which has the ability to make rich with the click of a button. It has the ability to do anything humans can do, but 10 times quicker, and doesn't even cost you thousands. Do you want to know how I know you're wasting this opportunity? Because we all know what I'm going to say, but still, you need to watch this video, which means you aren't making the most of it.
AI will be the future of wealth curation, so to be ahead of all the competitions and get that competitive edge, we need to be in early before everyone else. Even this video, as I'm sure you've noticed, isn't a real person, and this only the surface of AI capabilities, which will be seen very soon. You can already do amazing things with ChatGPT, but as it develops, the abilities you will have and only grow, and so will the strength of the competition, which is why you must make the most of it now, so you can be improving as AI improves and make generational wealth. Now for a quick history lesson, back in 1848, there was gold discovered in California. When people saw this, some people had the genius idea to move to California and mine the gold. This led to massive wealth for those who took action. But with that, it became very mainstream, and everyone else wanted a piece of this easy wealth. So what happened was, over the next 7 years, about 300,000 people moved to California looking for quick money. Can you guess what happened to these latecomers? They made almost nothing. Do you want to know the only people who made generational wealth? The people who were already rich, the people who had the ability to build big machines and hire workers to mine for them. They were able to destroy the normal people who were by themselves with a shovel. Now I'm going to guess you're not rich already. So do you want to know how you can quickly build that wealth? Make the money now before all the rich people come with better technology than you could afford. And by doing this, you will gain the experience early and actually be better off than those richer than you. To finalize this video, I'm going to help you by leaving some tools you use in the description of this video to assist you with AI and what to use for content creation and to boost productivity. So I wish you good luck on your journey to generational wealth, and I can guarantee if you take my advice, you can achieve your goal.